Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I'm going to be flipping through some new product that I was sent from the Happy Planner from me and my big ideas. This is a new planner line that's exclusive to Office Depot. So if you're interested in purchasing this, you can find it over there in store. I'm sure you could probably find it online too. But I'm definitely gonna go to my Office Depot and check out the other planners in this collection because they have some really pretty covers. I'm really excited for the covers. There's some really cool accessory packs I'm gonna go over in this video. But yeah, I'm gonna just kind of walk you through this new planner system here. The line is called Citrine Planner. So that is the name of this new collection. And it's really, really pretty. Again, I'm loving the covers. They feel really, really nice. They're like nice, just material. And I'm gonna flip through these planners. This one right here, I think is an A5. I'm trying to see the size. I can't remember the size, but this one looks like a classic size planner. Yeah, classic size. This is a small one. These are both disc bound, and then we have accessories for them too. So yeah, I'm gonna flip through them and show you all the things. So we have this one right here, which is it's the small planner, and look how adorable it is. I'm gonna take the packaging off here so you can get a better look, but I love the little bow detail on it. It's so cute. Okay, yeah, again, nice cover here. So we have 2026. This is a 2026 planner here, and then you can kind of see the material. It's not like a solid black color. It's got a little distressing on it, which I like. I like that on there. It feels really nice. It's 2026. It's got the little bow in the middle, which is a cute little detail. And then it's got plastic gold discs, no heart in them. It's very like simple, sleek design, which I like. Perfect for taking to work. So I always like to have very simple designs when it comes to the planner I use at work. And this is a nice compact size, which is really good. Okay, so let's get into the planner. So cute. I'm actually looking at the site right now, and there are a bunch of different covers. I'm actually gonna go and probably pick up the blush one because it's really, really cute. I'll try to put a picture. But they also have, they don't just have disc bound planners, they also have the spiral ones too. So I'm interested in seeing those to see like the accessory packs for those. Because that's one of the reasons why I love the disc bound system. It's super easy to customize. So I'm interested to see what's in those. But for now, I have the disc bound ones, at least for this video here. All right, so you get the cover has pockets, which I always love to have pockets in my covers here, and then a nice little pocket here. You do get some stickers. So this one, again, very functional stickers in here. Some headers, some little headers here that say celebrate, deadline, important, some little icon stickers, and then it goes into the planner as a place for you to put your name right here. Ooh, the tabs are on the top. That's different. Okay, that's cool though. I like that. Okay, so here's the first calendar page here. You have 2026 and 2027 to plan ahead there. And then has the holidays, which the Happy Planner planners usually don't have this, but that's nice that that's included in a little list of the holidays here. And then you can write down some important dates there as well. Here is the monthly, the October monthly 2025. So you could start using it next month, this planner, on the monthly right here. Oh, it has all the monthlies until the planner actually starts, which is really nice. Again, so that way you can start using it right now once you buy it. So you can plan out some things for October. You can test out the paper quality. November has the date or important dates like coming up next week. Daylight savings times on the 2nd, Veterans Day, and then Thanksgiving. And then here we have December. And then you have annual goals section here. So you could put your quarterly milestones, action items, and your goals, priorities and projects, a to-do list, urgent to schedule, low priority, and follow up. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is cool. I like this little tabbed section here. Okay, so we're getting into January, the start of the planner. So we have January 2026, same monthly section there, some place that you can write some notes. You have the calendar for February and March, the months ahead. Look at this little tabbed monthly divider. That's cool. So we have goals and priorities for the month, to-do list, habit trackers, and notes. And then you could totally use this as a bookmark throughout the planner, which is cool. So we got January, little habit trackers on the bottom, and then a note section here, another note section there. And then now you're going into the weeklies. And again, you could take this, oops, pulling the pages out. You could take this, move it onto the weekly pages here, and then move it around as you go. And that could be your, especially since this is a priority list, maybe your priorities for the month, you could keep here and you could keep moving it through the planner. At least for the January goals. And then you could do the same for February and then going on. So here's a look at the weekly page. Let me put this back actually so you can see it in full view. Sorry, I have like the light streaming in. Let me fix that actually. So just you can see it a little bit better. So we have, let's go back to the weekly pages. Oh, did I miss some? No, they're here. Okay, so here are the weeklies. You have Monday through Sunday. I like that each of the boxes is the same size because I find in other planners, sometimes they'll join Saturday and Sunday together, make it smaller sections. So I always like seeing that each day has the same amount to work with. This one, you do have the calendar here in this corner, but here you do have a noted section for this week. So that is good. Okay, so it kind of just does the same layout for each week, and it has like a little quote here. What you do makes a difference, and you have to decide what kind of difference you want to make. That's Jane Goodall. So it has like little different quotes here, which are nice little quotes. Then a note section, and then we go back into the monthly, and then you have that cool tabbed monthly divider. I think that's super nice. And then it goes into the rest of the weeklies here. Okay, so we got March. So no like pretty divider covers or anything. This is a very functional, to the point planner, which I actually really like, again, for work, because for me, when it comes to work, I never use those kinds of things, but I just feel like this is a nice, simple planner. It's nice and clean and looks good. Straight and to the point, basically. All right, and then we got April, May, June, and it also doesn't go all the way across because obviously it's going to stay this same size, so they can only have it be like this width right here. But I think that's cool too, because then all the tabs are over here, just in this section here. Okay, so you got up to December. We'll go to the end of the planner here, and then you got notes. Then you have year in review and the year ahead, where you can goal plan there. And then here we have a map of the US. Okay, and then that is, oh, and the time zones. Time zones. All right, and then the back cover, no pocket here, which is nice because sometimes I don't like having pockets on both sides. I feel like the front one's pretty good, but it does have a little pen loop here and a nice little snap, little closure. It's so pretty, and like I said, it feels really, really nice. I love the feel of it. Okay, so let's see. Let me just flip through this one. I'm assuming this one's gonna be very similar to the other one, layout-wise. I don't know if the other ones are different layouts. I can check really quick. But these two look like they're from the same like collection within this whole collection. So I'm assuming it's the same layout. Okay, same stickers. And then we'll go over here and see. Again, get the monthlies before, so you can start using it now. And yeah, so obviously it's gonna be bigger, but you do have the January here and then the weeklies. So yeah, it's the same setup as the other one. Okay, let me check to see the other layouts. They all look the same. So the only difference is like the covers, which definitely check out the covers because they are really, really pretty. And yeah, they're just really pretty. You can see like the different shades on this one. And then this one just says 2026, no bow. And then you got the one with the bow. It's so pretty though, so pretty. Okay, so those are the planners. But then we also have these little planner accessory packs here that go with these planners. So let's see what's in here. We'll do the small one And then the big one it'll have the same stuff, but we'll do the small one first because I really like the size of the small one. Okay, it looks like you get a few different things here, but we'll go over them in this video. Here, I'll just unbox them. Okay, so we have stickers in the foil. Ooh, these are cool. Okay, you get more little tab thingies. Okay, so we have the foiled stickers. Sorry, it's hard to tell, but we have some headers, payday, me time, due today, to do, little icons here with the foil. These are little tab to-do lists. I really like these little tabbed little lists. So those are to-do lists, and then notes on the back so you can stick that in your planner, which I will in a bit. Look at this little pen holder that you can wrap around your planner, which I will do in a little bit. And then we got all this paper. Ooh, actually there's more than just paper in here. Okay, that's it. Oh no, there's a couple more things. Okay, I love these. I have these in my planner. I actually took these with me on vacation so I could put all of my like things that I got, like things I wanted to journal with in here. And so I just kind of like just stuff them all in here. So these are always great to have on hand for loose things that you want to just keep safe in your planner. So we have this one, and then we have this paper, notes paper, very nice, basic, neutral, good paper here that's lined. Just says notes, and you get a good stack of them actually. And this one, how many did you get? Actually, let me see the number. 40. You get 40 of these pages here. These are really cool. Okay, so we get this envelope, like snap-in envelope here. It's clear. Again, keep the stuff that you need to keep nice and secure and safe in there. And then we also get these tabbed dividers, and the tabs are on this side. So we will put all this stuff in the planner so you can kind of see it all set up in at least the small one here. Okay, so let's put all the things in here. So first, I usually like to keep this kind of thing in the back, so we'll see how this fits back here. Nice little sleeve. Okay, it's kind of big for this one. I don't know if the sizing's the best for this one, but it's there, it's in there. Thankfully, it's very like foldable. I'm hoping these fit a little bit better. Oh yeah, these will fit better. Okay, so we'll put this in the back. This sizing is better. This one, I would probably not use this one in here. But if you got this big one, you could totally put it in here. That will work. All of these small sized accessories will fit very nicely in the classic size one. Okay, but this one fits perfectly. I don't know why the sizing's off on the other one. Okay, and then we have the little tabs. So let's do like a little note section here in the back with some of the note paper. This is how I would set it up in here. Okay, so we got the note paper. I'll just put a few in here. And then we could do another little tab here and do some of these little to-do lists. We'll just do 3 of these fun little tab to-do lists here, like so. And that's kind of in the back. You could find it. And then you could use, let me see, are these words? No, these words wouldn't work for that. You could label them here if you have label stickers, but I don't feel like these work for this side. So, yeah. But you have them back here, at least they're organized in the back with tabs on the side. And I like that there's tabs on the front, on the top, and then you have tabs on the side. I think that's a cool look. And then that's how it looks with the stuff inside, the little tabs. And again, everything fits nicely, at least those items. And then we have this little stretchy pen holder, which you could do it completely over the planner. This will fit completely over it with a pen inside. Let me grab a pen. Like so. Or you can do it. I usually like to just put them on the front cover. That way I could just open it up and not have to take the cover thing off. But you do have that as an option too. Okay, so those are all the accessories that come in there in that little pack. And like I said, I think this is gonna have the same stuff, it's just the bigger, it's the classic size version. So it has the same items. It has the tabbed to-do cards, the plastic page protector, which I'm thinking, well, let's see. Does that one fit better in here? We shall see. Whoop. Let me open this up. Everything else looks the same. I want to see if this fits in here, because the sizing on this was, it fits, but I don't like that it hangs over. So let's see. Oh yeah, this sizing's way better for this one. Okay, that'll fit perfectly in there. I just wanted to check that. Okay, but like I said, you could always use this in here too, if you wanted to. But that is gonna be it for this video. I just wanted to unbox all these new planners. They're really, really pretty. If you've always looking for like something a little bit more simple, I feel like these are very work appropriate, just like nice aesthetic. If you like more of that type of style, this is a good line for you to pick up. It's available at Office Depot. It looks like you can order them online. Price points, this size planner is $30 for that classic size planner, and then for the small, this one is $24.99. So $24.99 and then $29.99. And I'll have Office Depot linked down in the description if you're interested in purchasing any of these. Or you can go into the store and check them out yourself. You can feel them and open them up and look at them yourself. There's some really, really pretty covers. Like I said, I'm going to go and see them in person, because I really, really like one that I'm seeing online right now that I want just for the cover, because it's kind of gorgeous. So yeah, I might be doing that. But that is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching as I flipped through and unboxed all of these things. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.